Hello viewer, welcome back to our channel. Now I am reviewing the Nokia 2780 Flip. The display of this smartphone 2.7 inch TFT LCD. The screen to body ratio of the display of this smartphone 19.3%. The resolution of the display of this smartphone 240 by 320 pixel. The PPI density of the display of this smartphone 148. Now I am telling about the operating system of this smartphone KaiOS 3.1. The chipset of this smartphone Qualcomm QM215 Snapdragon 215 28nm. The CPU quad-core 1.3 GHz Cortex A53 and the GPU Adreno 308. Now I am telling about the memory of this smartphone card slot micro SD dedicated slot. The internal memory are available of this smartphone 4GB and 512 MB RAM. The main camera is a single camera. The feature of the main camera LED flash and the selfie camera is not available of this smartphone. The sound of this smartphone low speaker is available and the 3.5 jack is also available of this smartphone. The Wi-Fi of this smartphone 802.11, the Bluetooth 5.2, NFC is not available, but the FM radio is available of this smartphone. The charging port USB of this smartphone USB Type-C 2.0. The battery of this smartphone 1450 removable. The network technology are available of this smartphone GSM, HSP and LTE. The SIM of this smartphone is a single SIM or nano SIM. The launch date was announced of this smartphone 3 November 2022. There are a different prices are available of this smartphone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.